If you use Evernote for notes, ideas, meetings, or research, then this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI in Evernote, step by step, so you can search your notes faster, summarize content, rewrite text, fix typos, translate notes, and even generate brand new content from a prompt. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the AI Assistant button. On desktop, you'll usually see the AI icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click that icon to open the AI panel. This is where Evernote's AI features become really useful, because instead of digging through folders manually, you can ask the app to help you find what you need. Now let's start with searching your notes using AI. This is one of the fastest ways to get value from the tool. Open the AI Assistant and type a question in plain language. For example, you can ask, "Find my meeting notes from last week," or "Show notes related to my Barcelona trip." You do not need to use complicated keywords or perfect search terms. Just type what you're looking for the same way you would ask a person. Evernote AI will scan your notes and show you relevant results, which makes it much easier to find information buried inside old notebooks or long collections of notes. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of content saved in Evernote over time. Instead of remembering exact file names or manually opening each note, AI can narrow it down for you based on meaning and context. So if you remember the topic, the event, or even a rough description, Evernote AI can often find the right notes much faster than a traditional search. Next, let's look at summarizing or rewriting notes. Open any note that already contains text, then highlight the section you want to change. Once you highlight the text, click the AI icon that appears. Evernote will give you different actions you can choose from, including summarize, rewrite, fix typos, and translate. If you choose Summarize, Evernote will turn long notes into shorter, easier to read points. This is great for meeting notes, project updates, lecture notes, or research. If you choose Rewrite, the AI can help improve the tone or clarity of what you wrote. Fix Typos is useful if you want a quick cleanup before sharing a note with someone else. And if you need the note in another language, Translate can help you convert the selected text quickly. The best part is that you don't have to edit everything manually. You can highlight just the part you want, choose the action that fits, and let AI do the heavy lifting. That makes note editing much faster, especially when you're organizing a lot of information. Now let's move on to generating new content with AI inside Evernote. This is great when you want to start a note from scratch, but you're not sure how to begin. To do this, create a new note and look for the option that says Start with an AI prompt. Click that option, and Evernote will let you choose a built-in prompt or type your own request. For example, you could ask it to draft a meeting agenda, create a project checklist, summarize ideas for a blog post, or build a simple outline for planning a trip. Once you enter your prompt, Evernote AI will generate content based on your request. From there, you can edit it, expand it, or use it as a starting point. This feature is useful because it helps you get past the blank page problem. Instead of staring at an empty note, you can instantly generate a rough first draft and then refine it to fit your needs. That makes Evernote feel less like a simple notes app and more like a smart productivity assistant. Here's a quick tip. The better your prompt, the better the result. Try being specific about what you want, who the content is for, and what format you need. For example, instead of saying, "Write notes," say, "Create a clean bullet list of action items from this meeting." That gives the AI much more context and usually produces a better outcome. So to recap, here's what you can do with AI in Evernote. You can open the AI Assistant and search your notes using natural language. You can highlight text and use AI to summarize, rewrite, fix typos, or translate. And you can create new notes with an AI prompt to generate fresh content quickly. If you're someone who uses Evernote every day, these features can seriously improve your workflow and save you time. The more you use them, the more you'll find little ways to speed up your note-taking, organizing, and writing tasks. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Evernote tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.